Trello is great for project management, but it doesn't have time tracking. To be able to track time in Trello cards, you can use Clockify, which is a free standalone time tracker that integrates with Trello. Here's how you can track how much time you spent on Trello cards using Clockify. First, sign up for a Clockify account. Then, go to the Chrome Web Store and download the extension. Once you do, the Clockify extension button will appear in your browser. Now, go to your Trello board and open a card. Here, you'll see the Clockify Time Tracker button listed under Actions. Once you click the button, the Chrome extension will pick up your card's name to use as a description for your activity, and you'll see the timer start ticking in the extension menu. Or, as an alternative, you can select the text describing the activity you are performing within the card, right-click on it, and start the timer from there. In Trello, you can add a checklist to your card, fill it with to-do items, and you'll then notice that the Clockify button appears next to each item. As soon as you start working on an item, click the button and the timer will start ticking with that checklist item as the description name. Once you're done with an activity, just click the stop button. Or, you can stop the timer from the web version or your other Clockify apps. Once you click stop, the entry will be added to your list of time entries across your installed Clockify apps, including the Chrome version and the web version. If you wish to continue working on an entry, you can click the play button and the system will continue tracking time on this entry. Once you open a Clockify account, you'll be able to set up all your clients. Projects, tasks, and add your tags. This way, they'll immediately become available to you in the Chrome version, so you'll be able to select them when tracking time in an app. If you wish to add additional information to an entry, just click on the running timer. Here, you'll be able to add a project, select a task, and add your tags. If you're a professional billing by the hour, you'll want to check the billability box to indicate the entry is billable so that it gets calculated in your total earnings, which you can then view in the header of a report. Once you and your team are done with Trello activities for a time, you can go to your Clockify web account and check your hours tracked for the project you worked on in Trello. Here, in the list of time entries, you'll also be able to delete an entry and view the project's clients. To generate a report based on the hours tracked in Trello, pick a report, whether summary, detailed, or weekly. Select a time period, say a week. Filter by the project that served as your Trello board to get a breakdown of the exact hours you and your team clocked in for the project during that time. Then, you'll be able to export these results or save them and then send to your client so he or she can track your progress on the Trello project in real time. Trello and Clockify are free apps, and by using Clockify to track the time you spent on Trello cards, you'll get a robust project management system with time tracking data.